Yeah, I'm president of Albania and I'm invited to be part of this academy. It was very nice to share views, ideas and discussion about the challenges that we are facing nowadays. We have excellent relations. After 2 days I'll be for a state visit to Turkey to be there as one of the close allies of this country. And for me it's an important day to provide once more the friendship, the excellent cooperation, the partnership that we share together. We have common objectives and we are focused very much on cooperation in all fields. And we do believe that in the future we will strengthen more our relations. I think that through the common commitment, only through the common commitments, common focusing on such challenge, through the acting against terrible things. And I'm so touched and angry also against the terrorist acts that happen in Turkey against the Turkish people. And in fact, I would like to offer my condolences to the family of the victims, but in the same time to all the Turkish people, my solidarity and the solidarity of the Albanian overcome and terrible and very difficult moments, and I'm sure the Turkish people will overcome these moments, and all the allies of the Turkey and Turkish people and the government of Turkey together with you and with them to face in successful such terrorist acts and such aggression. But I think that we have to be focused all together in this way, because only the common commitments will be a successful story. I think the same to Turkey and Turkish people.